DIY Zinc-Air battery that can be made at home. We first add activated carbon powder to help absorb oxygen more efficiently. Acrylic nail powder to act as a binder to hold everything together. We now add manganese dioxide to act as a catalyst. After dry mixing, we add potassium hydroxide to help conduct ions after drying. Acetone is added to active acrylic powder to bind everything together. We mix gently until it forms a thick paste. Stainless steel mesh to conduct current. Fabrication of air cathode. Complete air cathode ready to be dried. Cell container from Tic Tac sweets cut open on the other side to attach our air cathode. We use epoxy glue to attach the air cathode on the container. Our Zinc-Air battery nearly complete. We now add zinc metal plate that will be our energy source by combining with oxygen to produce electric current. We use small electric fan motor to observe the energy output of our homemade battery. Potassium hydroxide is added to help make electrolyte conductive. We use water as our electrolyte. You can now observe it runs instantly as we add electrolyte without charging it first. The energy comes from combining oxygen with zinc metal to form zinc oxide and electricity that powers the fan motor. The oxygen is introduced in the system on the air cathode side. It will run for hours until the zinc metal is completely depleted. Please subscribe our channel to see many more interesting videos by Despicable Lab.